Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ham, equity analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Thursday, February 7th. Thursday saw the S&P swing 30 points from its session high to low. Stocks managed to finish the day with decent gains as 8 of the 10 economic sectors made advances. January retailers' same-store sales were mixed, but traders drove the stocks higher. Walmart reported a lower-than-expected increase in sales, but market participants shrugged off the news. The S&P Retailing Index closed up 3.7%, with JCPenney gaining 8.5%. The strength in retailers helped the consumer discretionary sector into a leadership position, which ended the day up 1.7%. Cisco weighed on the market in the morning trade despite meeting earnings estimates. Cisco stock was down as much as 5.6% after the company gave a cautious outlook that failed to meet the consensus estimate. Specifically, Cisco expects third-quarter revenue to increase 10%, which equates to approximately $9.79 billion. Cisco managed to regain its losses, finishing the day with a modest gain. The tech sector was a laggard despite Cisco's reversal, ending the day down 0.2%. PepsiCo provided support to the broader market after soaring 5.5%. The company reported fourth-quarter earnings of 80 cents per share, topping estimates by a penny. On the economic front, there were 356,000 initial jobless claims filed for the week ended February 2nd, which was lower than the previous reading of 378,000. Claims have been choppy recently, but remain below typical recessionary levels. December pending home sales fell 1.5% compared to the expected decline of 1%. Despite the larger-than-expected drop, home builders spiked on the data, up 1.6%. In overseas news, the Bank of England decided to cut rates by 25 basis points to 5.25%, and the European Central Bank held rates steady at 4%. Both decisions were expected. Historically low yields at the long end of the Treasury market prompted investors to avoid the most recent Treasury auction in favor of higher returns. The benchmark 10-year note fell 45 seconds, sending its yield higher to 3.77%. I'm Jeffrey Ham for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening and have a great evening.